Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 2007 BMW X5. This is the 3.0 SI inline 6 engine. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can change the oil and the oil filter within like 10 minutes. Let's get started. As far as all the parts and tools, I will have them linked down below in my description box. In case you guys need anything, please make sure to check it out. I used a car jack, a ratchet with an extension, as well as a 17mm socket, a jack stand, some shop towels, the oil filter, a couple wheel chokes for the back wheels, as well as some Mobil 1 5W30 oil. And you will also need an oil filter cap. Again, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. So whatever part you guys will need, it will be down there, particularly for the BMW X5 E70 3.0 SI. But I will also link the oil filter for the BMW 4.8 and the 5.0 liters as well. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off by safely jacking up the car. And make sure you place some dead jacks on the side, as well as some wheel chokes on the back so your car doesn't slide back. With my X5 safely jacked up, I'm going to go underneath with a bucket that I'm going to use to drain the oil, as well as my ratchet, extension, and the 17mm socket. So I'm underneath my X5 right now. And right here, if you guys follow along with me, is the drain plug right here. As far as my car, I do not have a cover underneath here, but if you guys do, it's going to be removed with 1 and 2 screws. But here is the drain plug, which is going to be removed with our 17mm socket. I'm going to place a drain bucket close by, open it up, and drain the oil out. Just like that. And now I'm going to let the oil completely drain. Give it about 10 minutes. Make sure every drop of it comes out. So as you guys are seeing, there's still a very thin stream of oil coming out. It's been about 8 minutes so far, and I'm just going to wait a few more minutes and let that stream completely stop. The oil is basically drained now, and now I'm going to reinstall the drain plug back into place. And you want to hand tight this all the way until the last thread, and then you can torque it down to the OEM spec. If you have any extra oil residue, you can clean it off with a shop towel and then completely tighten it up. I'm going to open up the engine oil cap. The oil has completely stopped draining. I've reinstalled the drain plug, and now I'm going to add our new fresh engine oil. I'm going to place a funnel and then grab our 5W30 and pour it in. This particular engine in this year model calls for 6.5 quarts, but please make sure to check your user's manual before putting the oil, because every year and every model requires a slightly different amount, and you do not want to put less or more of the required oil into your vehicle. I've added the required amount of engine oil for my car, and I'm just going to clean any extra oil residue that's on the side. As far as the oil filter, I didn't end up changing it because they sent me the wrong part, but it's pretty simple. You just remove this tubing and here's the oil filter. But I have the oil and everything changed, and that's the only thing that's left. Now I'm just going to take the car on a quick test drive just for about 5 minutes, and then go back home, recheck the oil level, make sure it's completely where it needs to be. And if it's good, that means you did a great job. If not, you might have to remove a little bit of oil or maybe add a little bit more. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy oil change on the BMW X5 E70. And if you guys enjoyed this video, like always, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit that like button. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please make sure to drop them down below in the comment box, as I reply to every single comment. And if you guys want to see more videos on my BMW and my other vehicles, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.